I'm in fact the odd man because I'm a man from accounting and finance. I'm an academician, and in the same line, I am a professional chartered accountant. So as an academician, I usually guide to the students. As a professional, so I am doing some sort of consultancy, and we are now concentrating on a bigger issue through our World Bank projects. And I want to relate that project. I'll start with it because my lectures will not be structured in that way which I used to make it in my class. But here it is given sustainable tourism. As a student of Sanjib College, I claim it first that I am a student of Sanjib College in the year 1984. So that is talking about 1884. So I am adding 100 with that. In the year 1984, and Father Joris was the vice principal in our department at that point of time. 35 years back, so I heard one smaller sentence. This college is meant for men and women for others. So we are carrying that slogan in our day-to-day life also. So when Madam Day is talking about sustainable tourism, we initially we look into our reporting strategies. So we are talking about sustainability report. It is a part of our annual reports, but it is now diverted into from sustainable report to be given for sustainable business. Now we are advocating a new name. It is known as responsible business. So responsible business means you have to do something for the society, and this sustainability should be inclusive. So when we are talking about this sustainability, both Professor Shah and Sir had talked about different scope of tourism in India as well as the applicability of rules and regulations. So I am taking a different dimensions here. So can we think it in a different way? That is, we can think it sustainable tourism to responsible tourism, from responsible tourism to inclusive tourism. That means the tourism department, tourism industry, tourism as a whole will enhance, develop with every sections of the society. Every sections of the society, in the sense, I want to include, that is one of my area of research, one of my PhD scholar, she's also present today, she's working on this person with disability. And we are talking about the financial inclusion of persons with disability. In this tourism industry, there is a good scope of inclusion of persons with disability because their movement is to some extent restricted. There are some ways in which we can engage them. Say for example,